If you are learning Python, JS, WebJS or programming, you will keep hearing one word, that is Git. So in the next few minutes, I will show you what Git is and how to install it on Windows. So what is Git? Git is a version control system. It keeps a history of your project and records every change you make. If you make a mistake, you can go back to an older version. It also helps multiple people work on the same project safely. So for downloading Git, you need to type Git download in your Google or your default browser. Then you need to go into their official site, which is git_scm.com. so this site automatically detect your operating system. So for installing, you need to go for Windows and you need to right click on install. So here you need to click here to download. So as will you click on download, the latest version will start downloading. I have already downloaded the latest version of Git at my site. For the installation, I need to double click and run the its installer file. So this is the Git setup wizard. So we are installing 2.55 version of Git and this is the latest version in 2026. So it is all about the conditions. So we need to click on next to accept the conditions. So you can read the options here. If you don't want to add the shortcut icon on desktop, you can uncheck this and same with these options. Then you need to click on next again. So there are multiple options. I am going for the Visual Studio Code as Git default editor. Then you need to click next. Click on this. So if you want to Git decide itself for its branch, you can click on this, or if you want to overwrite the default branch name, or if you want to override the default branch name, you need to click on next. Then they're asking how would you like to use Git for the command line. This is the recommended option. Then you need to click next. Then you need to use open secure shell client program, as use external it. Then you need to click next, then next, until you get an option of install. As you will click on install, it will start installing Git on your software. So if you have the previous version of Git at your side, it will firstly remove the previous version from your system and then install the latest version in your system. You will get this wizard. Then you need to click on finish. Site. That's it for today.